Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker QCY SP7. Firstly, you need to check if you have a Bluetooth turn on. So open control panel and turn on it if it turn off. Now, this speaker should reconnect with your phone automatically, but there's a problem for iOS devices. We need to do this manually. So on your iPhone, go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your speaker at the device list. You can try to do the same as on your Android device, because sometime it happened that the device don't want to reconnect automatically. So try to do this. Okay, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to turn off your speaker firstly, so press and hold power button at the top of your speaker. Okay, maybe I will show it to you. And we just turn off it. Now we disconnect it from the phone, then press and hold again. And this time, speaker should reconnect automatically. But also sometimes it happens that they don't want to reconnect automatically, then tap at your device at the device list after you turn on your speaker. Now, if the soft reset didn't help you also, we need to perform a factory reset. And to perform a factory reset, we need to press and hold Bluetooth button for at least 8 seconds, until your speaker will turn off. So press and hold and you will hear also a sound. Not this one, just keep holding this button. Here we go. And as you can see, the speaker turned off. Now we need to reconnect it with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Now forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button, maybe you need to just go back and return to the Bluetooth, and then we need to turn on the speaker, so press and hold power button. And after factory reset, the speaker entered to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list, tap at your speaker, and we did it. Now, if the factory reset didn't help you also, I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, you can do this. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path. Now, on your iPhone, go to the settings. Then we need to go to accessibility. What located under the general settings. Now scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line. I'm so sorry, I missed. We need to go not to accessibility but to the general settings. I'm sorry. So yeah, general, and right here at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone. Tap at this line, and right here we have reset button. Click on it. In this window, you need to select Reset Network Settings. There is no Reset Bluetooth Settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the Network Settings. So here we go. Now write your password, and then you need to click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to the system. So scroll down, system, and right here, at least on stock Android, at the bottom, we have reset options. Tap at this line. Right here, you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!